Want to unlock your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra without blocking the screen? Here's how to do it. By enabling fingerprint always on, you can just place your finger on the scanner even when the screen is off, and your phone will unlock instantly. To turn this feature on, head into Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find Security and Privacy. Tap Security and Privacy. Tap Screen Lock and Biometric. Enter your current screen lock. Under Biometric section, tap Fingerprints. And then tap the switch next to Fingerprint always on. To see how this feature works, turn off the screen. And then place your finger on the scanner. As you can see, your phone is now unlocked. This is super useful when your hands are full or when you are in a hurry. It's simple, fast, and seamless. Just one touch and you are in. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.